All right, final picture day on this project. Just finally got wrapped up. Started it last year, I believe it around the winter time. Finishes up in the spring. June now. Just waiting for some of the grass to grow back in. We haven't had rain in like 2 months, so let's go check it out.
Flashback.
Extra nipply out today. Check and see what these boys are up to. Like, got some tackle block papers over there. The existing pool that was kind of ripped out, redone. Old patio ripped out, getting redone. Little facelift out with the old and with the new. You know how it goes. Check it out.
Later.
Right, mighty chilly day out here. Let's go see what these boys are up to. Everybody get to work. They won't just get to work on my account. They don't care about me. There he is. The rest of the squad at, bro?
They're on the other side, working on the fire pit.
On the other side. There's the rest of the boys. Picking up this project we started before the winter last year, finishing up now. Had to come back and do some seating and stuff because it was a muddy mess. Nice tackle block patio represent today. Tackle block hardscaper shirt on. Let's go check this out. You can see the pool over there. This is the back side of the pool. This is already existing, but we did build that fire pit right there.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
What's up?
What's up? What's up? Yeah. Alright, you can see we still got some work to do around here. Putting in the topsoil here, grass coming right up to the edge of the patio, cleaning that up. And then following our trails the whole ways out. There's a man.
End of flashback.
Alright, so patio's still a little wet. We got the first rain we've had in about 2 months last night. Didn't get the chance to dry out yet. So, see a little wet spots. Had to pull the pool cleaner out. Now I got this nice wet spot all through the patio, which is definitely not going to dry by the time I have to leave. So, you're going to have to see that in the photos too. Grass is starting to come in. Guess we'll get the drone out and get some shots of this patio with soaking wet spots all over it.
If you do, please say.